Have you ever stopped to wonder how Earth came to be? Imagine traveling back over 4.5 billion years ago, when our solar system was just a massive cloud of gas and dust, known as a solar nebula. Under the force of gravity, this cloud collapsed and began to spin, igniting the sun at its center. Around this fiery ball, bits of leftover dust and rock began to clump together, forming planets, including our very own Earth. But the early Earth was anything but peaceful. Picture a molten ball of rock and metal, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. During this chaotic time, a colossal object, roughly the size of Mars, collided with the young Earth. The debris from this cataclysmic impact eventually formed our moon, a silent witness to our planet's tumultuous beginnings. As millions of years passed, Earth's surface began to cool and harden, creating a solid crust. Volcanoes erupted, releasing gases that formed an atmosphere. Then, as the planet cooled further, water vapor condensed and it rained for thousands of years, filling the oceans. With these vast bodies of water, something extraordinary happened. In this primordial soup, simple molecules began to combine into more complex forms. Scientists theorize that lightning, heat from hydrothermal vents, or even asteroid impacts might have sparked these first reactions. Fast forward millions of years, and the first simple life emerged, single-celled organisms like bacteria, around 3.5 to 4 billion years ago. These early microbes were game changers. Some developed the ability to harness sunlight through photosynthesis, releasing oxygen into the atmosphere and transforming the planet forever. For billions of years, life remained microscopic, but around 600 million years ago, more complex, multicellular organisms began to appear in the oceans: sponges, jellyfish, and simple worms. By 500 million years ago, life exploded in diversity during the Cambrian explosion. Creatures with shells, eyes, and even backbones evolved, paving the way for the first plants to grow on land, followed by insects and fish that evolved legs and ventured onto solid ground. Then came the age of dinosaurs, around 250 million years ago. These magnificent creatures ruled the Earth for millions of years, until a giant asteroid struck about 66 million years ago, leading to a mass extinction event. With the dinosaurs gone, mammals which had been living in their shadows began to thrive. Over tens of millions of years, mammals evolved into various forms, from small rodents to large grazing animals, and eventually primates, the group that includes monkeys, apes, and us. The first human-like ancestors appeared in Africa around 6 million years ago. They walked on two legs, used tools, and gradually developed larger brains. Fast forward to about 300,000 years ago, and we see the emergence of Homo sapiens, modern humans. They spread across the globe, building civilizations and pondering profound questions about their origins. From stardust to oceans to the first humans, the story of Earth is one of constant change, survival, and discovery. Each of us is part of this incredible journey, a testament to the resilience of life and the wonders of our universe.